Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that Bitcoin on a daily time frame chart is moving in a broadening falling wedge pattern, and recently we had a very nice impulsive bounce from the support of this broadening falling wedge pattern. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. And at the same time, Bitcoin has also broken out a very big and long-term uptrend line resistance. That was in fact the support of this channel. You can see that we broke it down. Let me to show you this move on the daily time frame chart. You can see that we broke it down, and for a few days it has been working as a resistance, and now we have again broken it out, retested the previous resistance as support, and now the price end is again gearing up after testing this support of the channel. And on a daily time frame chart, it is breaking out. We're trying to break out the EMA 21. And even on the weekly time frame chart, you can see that it is now trying to break out the big resistance of EMA 21 on this 7 days time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for NTRN, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup, I shared on 15th of July 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very massive rally, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin. And this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that Bitcoin is once again bounced very well from the support of this broadening falling wedge pattern. And you can see that whenever it is getting bounced from the support, it is forming lower highs and lower lows again and again. Like here, we had a bounce. We formed lower high here. Then we had another bounce, formed another lower low, and then we got rejected by the resistance, formed another lower high, lower low, and this was another lower high. And here it formed another lower low, and this was another lower high. And now after forming another lower low, the price is once again bounced very well from the support. And we have also broken out this quite strong resistance of $60,000 as well. That was previously breaking as a support here, and as a support here, and as a support here, and support here as well. And now it can again break as a support. Now you can see that the price line is trying to break out the daily 50 simple moving average. And after that, we will need to break out this 200 daily simple moving average. This is the 200 and this is the daily 50 simple moving average, the green one. Right now, the price line is trying to break out the 50 simple moving average, the green one. And after that, we will need to break out the 200 daily simple moving average. And you can see that both moving averages have formed a death cross as well. That is a very critical and very strong bearish signal. However, during the bull run, this death cross can be another very nice buying opportunity, because after the formation of the death cross, normally the price line starts another rally after some price correction, like it was happening here. You can see that when this death cross was formed during the bull run here on 12th of September. After that, the price moved sideways here. We see some price correction as well. And after that, the price started a very massive rally. And same as like that, if this time, because we are still in the bull run, if this time the price will again break out these two simple moving averages, and I'm expecting that soon it can also break out this broadening falling wedge pattern as well. And after the breakout from this broadening falling wedge pattern, the technical target will be here at the highest price of this broadening falling wedge pattern. That is the top of this wedge, approximately at $73,794. And by the way, from $69,000 to this level of $73,794, we have a very long-term resistance zone as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it has been breaking as a resistance zone here, here, and here. For the past several weeks or months, you can see it is breaking as a resistance zone. And before that, back in November 2021, it was breaking as a resistance zone. Recently, you can see that the price was dropped down at the support of the channel. Despite this long spike on the weekly time frame chart, the price could not break it down, and they covered back very soon. And on the daily time frame chart, you can see for 2 or 3 days, the price broke down the support of this up channel, and now it is recovered back, and now it is moving at their support of the channel that was a few days ago working as a resistance, and now it can again work as a strong support. Right now, the price line is moving on the 7 days time frame chart. The price line is moving between the resistance of EMA 21 on the 7 days time frame chart and this support of up channel. And if the price line breaks out this EMA 21, then once again, this support, this EMA 21 will be flipped into a very strong and long-term support. And after that, soon it can try to break out this resistance on. And if Bitcoin will be able to break out this resistance on, that starts from $69,000 and goes to $73,794, then it can soon hit the resistance of this up channel somewhere here, approximately at $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.